Okay guys, so in this video we're gonna clarify how to set up the project file in the right way. So for mixing, what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna explain you the idea behind it, instead of mixing 50 channels or 100 channels, it's better if you group your instruments together so that in the end you only have to mix 5 channels or 4 or 6 or whatever. But the idea is, back in the days when they had the huge mixing consoles, the SSL consoles, Neve consoles, they had like 20 or 40 channels, and then they had on the right side the group channels, and they mixed all the vocals into one channels, they mixed all the drums into one channels, all keys, all guitars. So at the end, the mixing engineer only had to deal with 5 channels or 6 channels. And we want to apply the same setup to our project file because we can process each channels in a much better way, and we just have a way better overview over the project later when we adjust the volumes. And for example, we have a reference track, we just have 2 faders for the, let's say, drums and bass line, and it's very easy to adjust the levels in a new way. So let's see how I set up the project file here. As you can see, this is my typical structure. So here is a group where all the bassline files are inside, and all the kick, the bass, all the bassline files go into one group. Then I have the same with the drums. Here you see all drums are going in the drum group. Then I have a folder structure with effect sounds. Here everything with sweeps, effects, some random, I don't know, noises, impacts, stuff like this I have in this folder, and all sounds from this folder go to the group effects, sweeps and pads. I also added pads because in the track is only one pad here. Then I have a folder with shots and leads, and all the shots and the leads are going to a lead group. So let's first have a listen to it. I'm going to show you how I group all the stuff. Okay, and as you can see, now when I mix, of course, you first have to mix the individual elements, but if you have all the individual elements sitting right, you can adjust the balance way better if you deal with the groups.